Hi guys, today I want to do a house tour of our fixer-upper. I'm going to break it up in two parts. The first part will be the outside and the second part will be the inside, and I will show you everything. I will share a little bit of information about the house, what we like it and what we're planning to do. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let's go see it. This is the view from the front yard. Here we're planning to do a lot of landscaping. Maybe remove this trees, update the mailbox. Definitely need an update. And we're excited for the front and the backyard renovation too, because we have a lot of work. Here's the garage. And that way you go to the backyard, and this way you're going to the house, the main entrance of the house. And I love this door. What we like about this house is everything's so unique. Of course, I'm going to refinish this door, but we're going to keep it. Okay, here's the backyard. You can see it's very big. And we have a lot of trees. This house was built in 1984. We love it, and we're so ready to make this house nice and pretty.